Hey guys, in this lecture we're going to get into how to understand the difference between edit mode and object mode. So when you start a new scene in Blender, like the one you see in front of you, you're automatically put into object mode with this cube. And you can see that down at the bottom left hand corner of the screen right here. So this little drop down is going to tell you what mode you're in, and if you want to switch modes, you can just open that menu and then switch to edit mode or any of the other ones. So we're going to talk about edit mode in this lesson. Edit mode allows you to change the physical characteristics of pieces that make up an object. So when you're dealing with objects in Blender, you've got main objects that are in your scene, such as trees, cars, people, things like that. And if you want to get in there and modify how they actually look, other than just what direction they're facing, how big they are, and then where they're located on the grid here, then it's important to get into edit mode and to be able to tweak those settings. So this is how you can begin to alter simple objects in order to make more complex ones. Let's look at this real fast. The keyboard shortcut that you're going to learn for switching between object mode and edit mode is Tab on your keyboard. So if you hit Tab and you just continue to hit it, you're going to go toggle between edit mode and object mode just like this. So in edit mode, you're going to be able to change things about this cube, like vertices, as you can see here, edges right there, and then faces, as you can see here. So all of these things kind of together are connected, and they make up what we see when we're in object mode, this cube. So to get in here, we're in edit mode now. If I right click and select a couple of vertices, you can see that I can use the exact same commands as I use in object mode, and I can start moving things around. So by doing this, I can create sort of a different looking geometrical shape. And this is really the key to start creating a lot more complex scenes where you're building out your own models. So it kind of helps to think of it like this. If I've got an object in object mode, such as this monkey head, I can edit the monkey. As you can see, I spun it around. I'm going to make it a little bigger, and then, let's just say I want to move it around to somewhere around here. So I got my monkey head, but that's all I can do. I can't go in here and edit how big the ears are, how big the eyes are, where those are located. If I want to make the head a different shape, I can't do anything with that other than just simple scaling like this, and see how it affects everything. So if I want to tweak one thing at a time, I've got to be able to get in here and change things, and that's what edit mode's for. So in the next lecture, I'm going to start showing you how to modify an object's geometry in your scene, like this monkey head. And so you're really going to see this is the key to building more advanced objects, and it's how we're going to lay the foundation for building the object we're going to be using in this course, which is a fire hydrant. So I will see you guys in the next lecture.